Hello again, this is Dr. Lindsay. And in this video, what I want to do is go over, I want to compare the decisions by a monopolist and the results, compared that to the decisions of the firm working in perfect competition and what the results are. So under perfect competition, here's price, here's quantity. The demand curve, which is equal to the marginal revenue curve, appears to be horizontal to the monopolist, to the firm. Over here, though, for monopolist, the market demand curve is their demand curve. And there's a marginal revenue curve that is lower than that demand curve. So the decisions for the firm in perfect competition, here's perfect competition, here is monopoly. We both want to maximize profit. And to determine the quantity, we don't have to determine the price under perfect competition. To determine Q is where price equals marginal cost, which is also equal to marginal revenue. For the monopolist, to determine optimal profit maximizing quantity, that is where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Now, the firm in perfect competition is a price taker. And we have this average cost curve that's U-shaped. And we've got this marginal cost curve that comes up and hits it at the bottom. And the firm produces right here, where marginal cost equals the price. This is their optimal quantity. And if we want to know what their costs are at that quantity, we can just go up here to the average cost curve and see what it is. Now, for the monopolist, we also have this average total cost curve and a marginal cost curve that intersects at the bottom. And the optimal profit maximizing quantity where the marginal revenue equals the marginal cost right here. And the price is not determined by the market because the monopolist is a price searcher. We can go up here to the demand curve to see what price the monopolist should charge. So under perfect competition, we have price takers. And at a monopoly, we have a price setter. Or price searcher. Under perfect competition, we maximize total surplus. And under a monopolist, we're not maximizing total surplus. Surplus is less than the maximum. So we're not maximizing total surplus. Turns out that there's some inefficiencies here. The market isn't real efficient because there are some people that would like to have this product. You can see after Q star, the demand curve says there's some people that would pay this price here, but the marginal cost is only this price. That means we could produce these products at a cheaper price than people value it. But we don't do it because the monopolist won't produce more because then they have to lower the price for all the other people. So there's some inefficiency here and there's some loss of total surplus. In perfect competition, in the long run, there's no profit. But for a monopolist, there is profit. So there is profit over here. And the price under the monopolist will be greater than the price under perfect competition. And the quantity produced by the monopolist will be less than the quantity that's produced under perfect competition. In perfect competition, in the long run, price will be equal to marginal cost, which will be equal to average total cost. The price will be at the bottom of the average total cost curve. But under monopoly, the price will be greater than the marginal cost of producing something. So you can see on this graph here for the monopolist, under perfect competition, the price would be right here at the bottom of the average total cost. But for the monopolist, they're charging a price that's greater than that. The quantity that would be produced under perfect competition would be this quantity, but under monopoly, less is produced.